1, 2. You will take it only the 1, 2. 1, 2. And then we are ready to do part 2. Part 2 is the same steps 4 times. 4 times. Right, left, 1, 2, 3. Left, right, 1, 2, 3. Right, left, back, 2, 3. Left and right, and turn, 2, 3. Again, right, left, 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left, 2, 3. Right, left, back, 2, 3. Turn, full turn, and start the test. Right, left, tanga, tanga, down. Left, right, left, right, left. Yamana, right, Yamana, left. 2 steps. Again. Right, left, right. Left. Left, right, left. Yamana, right, Yamana, left. Right, left connection. 1, 2. 2 steps. 1, 2, 3. 2 steps. 1, 2, 3. 2 steps. Back to 3. 2 steps and turn to 3. Again, right, left, 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left, 2, 3. Right, cross, left.